I like to call it the strangulation of time. A quiet so loud. That's where you're sitting with your family and loved ones on the 7th story of a big building in a small office. And you're looking out the window onto the other buildings of downtown and the people that are small, and everything just goes to nothing. And you can only hear the air of the air conditioner vent moving. And what sounds like a hammer is actually the little trackball and a mouse that's tied to the computer that's being operated by the doctor as he reads the file and chart. Yep. A quiet so loud. It sounds like a gun going off. That little trackball. When you're waiting and waiting and waiting for the man that's responsible for saving your life to give you the news. Where you find yourself in the only place in your life that the only option that you have is to fight. That's the best it is. That's the only thing that's guaranteed. Oncology, cancer, where champions fight every day. Listen, we got a good prognosis. God has been good to us. But you'll find yourself in moments where the world doesn't even exist. And all you'll hear is the loud, thunderous clapping of faith in your life. God bless you. From Arkansas, Fluent English.